Hi guys, so today's video I'll be making the clove oil. I'm very excited to be doing this for you. So I'm going to be doing 2 tablespoons of cloves to make our clove powder, and I'm going to be putting it in this blender to blend them into a very thin powder. And this is how our powder is looking. Yes, I like this method because it's so much easier and you get a lot of cloves and you get a lot of the benefits from the clove powder. But you can also just use the cloves without making them into a powder. I just like this way of making it. And this is my bottle that I'm going to be putting the cloves powder and also the oil. So this is the clove powder, and as you can see guys, I did make a lot of it because I'm trying it out for the first time. I'm going to be using the extra virgin coconut oil. Yes, it is in French, but it is coconut oil. And I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of the coconut oil. I'm going to put it in the bottle, and then we are going to be using the double boiler method for this method of making the clove oil. So the double boiler method is just like you boil the water and then you place your bottle into the water and let it blend or let it simmer together. Make sure that the water does not enter your bottle. So this is a very long bottle, and I was able to, place a lid on it and then shake it. Just make sure that it's blending together. And I really like the way the cloves were smelling, you guys. I really like this method because of what I was able to get out of it. If you guys don't know the benefits of cloves, you guys, you're missing out. So this is my cloves, and I was able to sieve it. And this is what I got out of the 2 tablespoons of cloves powder that I used. I was able to get this much oil. And then I was able to apply it in my applicator bottle for easy use, and I'm going to be using this for the rest of the week. I am basically going to be applying it on one side of my head, which I'm seeing that my edges are, I don't know, I can't see them, but the other side is pretty well, but the one side of my head is not having any edges. So I'm going to be applying it on my edges. I'm not sure what is happening to this side of my head. But yeah, I'm going to be applying it on there, and I'm going to be massaging in it. So the whole point of applying anything on your scalp is you have to massage it so that it can have great way of penetrating or circulating into your whole scalp. So I'm going to do that on the other side too. And I'm also going to be applying it for the rest of my hair. And I'm only going to be applying it on my scalp to see the benefits, to see the difference it makes to my hair. And yeah, I'm just going to be using this clove oil. This clove oil smells absolutely amazing. I loved using it for massaging my scalp. I'm definitely using it now on my hair and on my scalp to massage for 5 minutes. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you next time.